Top 6 na. Buti wala pa yung sundo. Oh my god, for sure. Atisa stole the competition. Atisa, Sinuloan, Sultan, Chelsea. They're my top 3. Pero sana may pasabog. Sana may pasabog. May pa dark horse.
I am so excited for this, CN. Oh my gosh, this is it.
Our first finalist garnered the highest number of votes in the BINA voting showcase. She is the first to advance to the finals, and she is none other than Sultan Kudarat.
Chelsea. Iba talaga siya, oh. Ang expensive. Expensive, ano? Regal.
Next in the finals and still has a chance to be crowned is Sinuloan Laguna.
Pasokin yung top 2 ko. Ito MGI Miss Cosmo. At Miss Universe, why not? Atisa. Oh, win-win. Our Latina Slayer.
There's no turning back now.
Masyadong ano na, sophisticated. Pasok na naman to sa top 5 si Taguig, but this time top 6, diba? Lagi na lang to. Hindi naman lagi.
It's your night.
Oh, si ano na, si Taguig. Si Bu. Mga Morena Beauty, oh. Nagsama.
And completing the top 6 finalists.
Oh wow, isa na lang. Oh my God, wala pa si Atisa. Atisa na yan. For sure. Sino mga nalaglag? Congrats, Atisa. Sinong mga nalaglag? Wala si Baguio? Si Cebu?
Our 6 finalists. A job well done, ladies, and you all look so poised and elegant.
And thank you, Mo Arena, for this energy. What an unbelievably beautiful final set of delegates. Have you ever seen a more poised and passionate group of ladies, Sian?
Wala kasi talagang tapo, ng hirap pumili.
Poise and keep your composure because we will see how you perform under pressure.
And of course, you may still vote for our final 6 using the Miss Universe Philippines app, powered by Joycely.
The highly anticipated question and answer round happens when the coronation continues.